Welcome to HEAL Semantic Search, a powerful tool for exploring connections across the HEAL research landscape by helping you discover HEAL studies, variables, and standardized data elements. Research starts with asking the right question, but finding the right data can be hard. HEAL Semantic Search, or HSS, makes discovery easier. Instead of matching only exact keywords, HEAL Semantic Search uses AI, biomedical ontologies, and knowledge graphs to understand concepts, synonyms, and related ideas. Search for muscle pain and HEAL Semantic Search also surfaces terms like myalgia, fibromyalgia, and myofascial pain syndrome, connecting you to relevant studies, standardized measures, and variables across HEAL research. Whether you're exploring the HEAL research landscape, building a secondary analysis cohort, or selecting questionnaires for a new study, HSS helps you find connections faster and discover what you might otherwise miss. To access HEAL Semantic Search, navigate to healdatafair.org and click the Semantic Search button in the top menu. To get started, enter a search term like chronic pain and then hit enter to start your search. You can also use quotes and filters to refine your results. For example, lower pipe chronic in parentheses and back pain searches for lower back pain and chronic back pain. Chronic pain in quotes dash medication searches for elements with chronic pain but excludes medication. And leaving the search bar blank or empty will display all data. Results are organized into 4 tabs: studies, common data elements or CDEs, related concepts, and variables. Results are ranked by relevance, so the most closely related items appear first. In the Studies tab, you can explore HEAL-funded studies related to your search. Use the filters to narrow down your search results. Filter by HEAL Research Program, if the study has submitted variable level metadata, if the study has data available, and if the study has reported to use CDEs. Selecting a study opens the Details window displaying the study description, investigators, institution, and data availability. If the study has data available, a link to the study's data repository submission will be visible. HEAL Semantic Search does not directly host data. The Variables window displays variables collected in the study. You can filter for variables specifically related to your search. You can also search for variables that are mapped to a standardized measure from the NIH HEAL Data Common Elements program. The CDEs window shows CDEs used by the study. The CDEs, or Common Data Elements tab, shows standardized data elements used across HEAL studies. NIH's HEAL Common Data Elements help researchers collect data consistently. When studies utilize the same CDE, their datasets are easier to compare or combine. Use the filters to narrow down by CDE type and by CDE usage. The Measures window displays measures used within a CDE and definitions of how measures are defined. The Usage in Studies window displays HEAL studies utilizing the particular CDE. The Downloads window contains downloadable links to the complete CDE, also referred to as a questionnaire or case report form. The Related Concepts tab surfaces biomedical concepts connected to your search, such as related conditions, biological processes, or phenotypes, then displays HEAL studies and CDEs related to the concept. This is especially useful for discovering new angles or building broader research questions. Use the filter box to narrow down by concept type. In the Variables tab, you can get information on the individual variables and CDE measures collected in HEAL studies, helping you assess how specific concepts and variables are measured. Variables and measures can be filtered by data type, if the measure has been mapped to a standardized measure or a CDE, and CDE measures only. CDE measures show permissible values, what CDEs the measure is a part of, what studies use the measure, and any references leading to the development of the measure. Study variables, or non-CDE variables, have IDs starting with the prefix HTTP and contain the permissible values and parent study tab. The permissible values tab will only be available if that information has been provided by the study. Variables may also contain a mapped CDE measure information tab. This tab contains information about the standardized CDE measure this variable corresponds to, helping you find related measures. The Related Concepts box provides related terms to the search term. Click a related term to create a new search with the selected term. Save items you are interested in by clicking the bookmark button across each of the results tabs. You can download your bookmarks as CSV files or JSON files to get detailed information about your saved items. Visit the HEAL Semantic Search resources page at healdatafair.org/resources/semantic-search/help to access helpful information including our user guide, example use cases, FAQs, a link to the help desk, and information on how to submit your HEAL study information. Semantic Search is powered by information about HEAL studies and variables. This is why it is crucial for HEAL investigators to submit their variable information to the HEAL data stewards, even if their study is in progress. For questions on how to submit your variable metadata, reach out to the HEAL stewards by emailing us at healstewards@renc.org or visit our metadata resources page at healdatafair.org/resources/metadata.